my fellow nerds? JPGRA here, and thank you guys so much for giving me the stuff. Actually, thank you guys so much for this comments, including the subscribers and everything, because I got 403 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I very appreciate it. I so appreciate it and everything, what y'all done for me and everything and all, including, yeah, for my support and all that stuff. Thank you. So right now it's time for me to do the unboxing, because I got this Culture Fly. The Culture Fly product is finally got another Culture Fly box. Is the classic Super Mario Brothers. So it's time for me to unbox it right now. Alright, let's see. Let's open it up. Yep, Super Mario Brothers 1985, the classic Super Mario Brothers. Not bad. Oops. Get this off. Classic Super Mario Brothers. Yep. Culture Fly little poster. CultureFly.com for the 50% off. And yeah, this is ooh, Lord goodness, this is a coin case, a Castle Coin Bank. Wow. This is the castle of the ending when Mario got this flag and just and then go inside the castle. And let me open it up. Let me open it up. Pull it off, pull it off, pull it off. Whew. Wow, that was so cool. See, there's a castle and there's a flag on top. Yeah, this is a coin bank. Awesome. What's up is the underwater blanket of Super Mario Brothers when Mario and Luigi's underwater with these fishies. So let's open it. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Next up is a pin star, superstar pin. You put on your chest and everything, your t-shirt. Kind of cool. Nice star pin. This is a PVC coaster set with Mario and with both Marios and everything. Let me check. Open it up. Yep. Mario. I think, yeah, this is Mario, this is Luigi. Mario and Luigi. Yep, Mario and Luigi. Mario and Luigi. Mario Brothers. That's kind of awesome. And last but not least, this is the socks. This is Mario throwing some fireballs. And this is the Piranha. Kind of awesome. Piranha plant. That's cool. And well, and what's inside is the warp zone. So yeah, kind of awesome. Well guys, I guess that's it. That's just about it. So guys, thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, leave the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I got a special update. I'm gonna give you guys information coming soon that I'm gonna be very busy coming up this fall. I know August is just around the corner. I know back to school is just around the corner and everything. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And guys, I'll see you guys next time. And like coming up, I'm going to Pixel Pop Festival this Sunday. And then I'm going to the Missouri Game Con coming up next month in August. So guys, if y'all come and visit, make sure to see me and everything. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Just JPGRA saying, ooh, excuse me, nerds are awesome. Peace. Bye bye.